Amber Heard has been deemed stateless as her attorneys seek to halt depositions in a lawsuit battle with two insurance companies. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Amber Heard talking about being homeless after insurance firm sues her. Yeah, you heard it right. On November 1st, 2022, representatives from Travelers Commercial Insurance filed a new document on Amber Heard's behalf in the ongoing litigation between Amber Heard, New York Marine, and General Insurance Co. The attorneys argue that the court lacks jurisdiction to proceed with the action since Heard was not a resident of the United States when the New York Marine sued her in July 2022, and she still does not possess a residence. According to the filing, Amber Heard is a citizen of the US but has no abode in any state, and is consequently stateless. According to Heard's attorneys at Travelers, the continuous pursuit of these activities is detrimental to his defense. They said that they do not wish for the case to continue. While Heard is appealing the verdict, additionally, Travelers requested that a hearing initially planned for November 3rd be rescheduled to December 1st or an alternative date. In the meantime, New York Marine disputed whether Amber Heard was a non-resident of the US at the time that the Marine sued her, stating that they had not been provided with evidence to that effect. In addition, they do not want their scheduled depositions to be postponed because according to them, Heard's counsel did not address the matter when the depositions were originally scheduled. According to property documents, the Aquaman actress sold her apartment in Yucca Valley, California in July. The home was sold for about $1.1 million, nearly double of what Heard paid to purchase it in 2019. Amber Heard has been photographed with her boyfriend, Bianca Booty, and daughter, Una Page Heard, in the village of Cottsix, Mallorca, Spain, where she's temporarily renting a home. According to reports, Amber Heard does not own any properties in the United States and is consequently homeless and stateless. According to the website of the US Department of State, a stateless person is someone who under national laws does not enjoy citizenship, the legal bond between a government and an individual in any country. Effectively, the claim asserts that the US courts lack jurisdiction to sue her since she is no longer a resident of the nation. Netizens have pointed out that her lack of house ownership is not a sufficient reason for exemption and that she can be sued in her absence. Others have tweeted that this is the wildest interpretation of statelessness they have encountered. Amber Heard, New York Marine, and Travelers Commercial Insurance are disputing who's responsible for paying whom. According to the verdict in June 2022, Heard pays Johnny Depp $10 million for making false and defamatory statements with actual malice. Amber Heard relied on her insurers, New York Marine, and Travelers Commercial Insurance to cover a portion of the damages in accordance with their liability insurance policy. New York Marine argued, however, that they were not required to honor the policy because of Heard's willful activities triggering the obligation. In 2021, Travelers filed the first complaint against New York Marine, alleging that the latter failed to reimburse Travelers for half of the attorney's fees, costs, and expenditures of defending their mutual insured. In the Depp case, leaving Travelers to carry an unfair share of the defense. New York Marine asserted in a counterclaim that it is not obligated to pay Travelers because Cameron McAvoy, the attorney the company intended her to employ, ceased representing her in November 2020 and did not appear at trial. New York Marine filed a second lawsuit against Amber Heard in July 2022, seeking a declarative ruling releasing them from any responsibility to compensate Heard. Travelers' recent stateless claim has been filed against this case. According to an April filing, the legal fees and costs for the Depp-Heard dispute exceeded $8 million. Recently, tabloids said that Amber Heard sold her home. The rumors and jokes about her being homeless continued. As a result of her insurance company's abandonment, she now faces a new set of difficulties. During Johnny Depp's highly publicized 6-week defamation trial, her legal fees were apparently reimbursed by her homeowner's insurance. Amber Heard apparently believed that the insurance would also cover her damages, but she was swept off the red carpet. Instead of paying Johnny Depp the amount that Heard owes him in damages, the insurance company, New York Marine, and General Insurance Co. filed a lawsuit against Amber Heard in federal court, claiming that they have no further obligation to defend her because the damages she owes Depp are the result of her own actions. Their official declaration reads, "An actual controversy has arisen and now exists between the plaintiff on the one hand and Heard on the other hand, with regards to the duties and obligations owed between the plaintiff and Heard under the policy with respect to indemnity. Plaintiff contends it has no duty to defend Heard based on California Insurance Code 533. The state code provides that an insurer is not liable for a loss caused by the willful act of the insured." Heard insisted on employing Elaine Bredehoff despite the insurance company's initial offer to pay for a different attorney. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.